Hi there. This video today is going to be a haul video. Past few weeks, I think a lot of brands have been having their sales, so including Ulta's 20% off for Platinum members, as well as Sephora's VIB sale. And I feel like recently in the past few weeks, there's also been a lot of brands having their friends and family and spring sale as well. So a lot of places have been having 20-25% off. I'm gonna start with Sephora first. I actually did not get a lot of products from Sephora this time, like I said, because other brands were having sales better than Sephora's discount. It just didn't seem like it was worth it. And I think all the stuff I got are skincare items. Yeah. If you watched my previous VIB haul sale from last year in 2017 in the fall, in November, I believe, I bought way too many eyeshadow palettes. Like literally my entire haul was just, I bought about like 10 eyeshadow palettes and cheek palettes and stuff like that. So during the spring, I kind of focused a little bit more on skincare items. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is Glow Recipe. So I picked up these two guys from Glow Recipe. They've been pretty hyped up. These are the two watermelon ones. So I have the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask and the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. The sleeping mask came out a while ago and it was like a huge thing on Sephora. And I think it was partially the really cute and pink packaging that you'll see in a bit, as well as the fact that it smelled like watermelon. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in like a cardboard box, almost like the watercolor paper texture type of box. It's really simple. I think the packaging is really great. So when you open it up, it's really cute because it has like the watermelon pattern on the inside. So the whole box has like that watermelon pattern, and it has a little spatula for you to pick up your products, and the jar itself. This actually looks like a pretty small jar for a sleeping mask because I usually put on quite a thick layer when it comes to a sleeping mask. So I'm not actually sure how long this bottle is going to last me. But this packaging is, I think, absolutely beautiful. I love this color. This pink, this baby pink is just like one of my favorite colors for products. And this jar is glass, so it does have a really good weight to it. By looking at the jar itself, actually if I'm like turning the jar a little bit, just looking at it from the outside, this mask looks extremely watery, like very, very liquidy. It smells so good. I'm going to move on and talk about the moisturizer next, and then I think I'll talk about both of these together. But this is the newest product, and it is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I thought that I would kind of switch into my spring, summertime, like hot weather type of skincare routine, as the weather is getting a little bit warmer outside. Usually I do like to switch it up between summer and winter months. In the winter, I do need a lot more moisture. I prefer things that are thicker. In the summer, because it's so hot and I do get sweaty and greasy a lot faster, I usually prefer a skincare routine that's a lot lighter. Same type of packaging. It has the watermelon inside. Exact same type of packaging. It is glass on the outside. It is all pink. And when you open it up, it does have a pump, which is great. I hate squeezing out moisturizer. I'd much rather have a pump. So this texture is actually quite runny as well. It's very runny for a moisturizer. I wouldn't even consider this a gel. I would consider this almost like a serum texture, because this is what a lot of my serums actually feel like. It's slightly thicker than toner or just beauty water, that type of product, but it's definitely too runny to be like a gel moisturizer. Both of these products are actually made in Korea, and I love Korean skincare and Korean skincare products, as well as makeup. I really trust Korean skincare products. I feel like they're definitely doing something right. So for me, it's definitely a plus that these products are made in Korea. The second thing I wanted to mention is the way these products smell. I think they smell absolutely amazing. I love the smell of watermelon, but I feel like everything that smells like watermelon these days has like a very artificial Jolly Rancher candy type of watermelon smell. It's extremely sweet, and it doesn't actually smell like watermelon to me. For me, watermelon has a much more subtle, I would say like a vegetable-y, kind of grassy scent. It's much lighter. And I feel like all products out there that try to smell like watermelon doesn't actually really smell like watermelon. It just smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. But these two products here definitely have a more real watermelon type of scent. It's like when you crack open a fresh watermelon in the summer, and that's kind of what it smells like. Okay, so next up, and my last product from Sephora is actually a backup, and this is something I feel like I've talked about in quite a few of my hauls. I feel like I get it at least twice a year. I definitely always get it during the Sephora VIP sale, and that is the Skin Inc Hydrate Tone Set Pure Serum Mist. I have been using this product non-stop for the past 3 years, I would say. I think it is my go-to all-time favorite facial mist. I don't go one day without using this. Sometimes at night I would skip my skincare routine. Sometimes it's because I'm tired, sometimes it's because my skin is freaking out and I kind of want to let it regenerate and get back to its normal state by itself without putting a ton of product on it. On those days, I literally still just spray this spray. I spray this on my face before I go to sleep, and I feel like it really calms my face. It hydrates my skin as well. So I absolutely love this serum. This is a huge jar. I usually have to use 2 of these in a year, especially since I do use it every single day, every single night, every single morning. If you're looking for a good facial mist to hydrate, to use as part of a skincare routine, I would definitely recommend checking this out because I think it is absolutely awesome. Next, I have a skincare item that you can actually get at Sephora as well. I just didn't happen to get it at Sephora because I had a better discount, and that is the Sun & Park Beauty Water. I am currently using this product. It's sitting right there in the back right here. This is my toner, and I have been using it for the past, I would say, 6 months-ish, and I have been really enjoying it. It hasn't broken me out. It feels very cleansing. It feels very lightweight. At the same time, it does feel moisturizing. It doesn't strip your skin and make it feel tight and dry afterwards. So I feel like this has been working out pretty well. So if you're looking for a very lightweight, cleansing, very gentle type of toner that's also hydrating, I do recommend checking this out because it is a pretty great toner. Next up, I have a more random product, and it is a eye makeup remover. This is the Mary Kay eye makeup, oil-free eye makeup remover, and the story behind this is I actually got this off of Amazon. I am completely out of my eye makeup remover, and my typical eye makeup remover is Sonia Kashuk's eye makeup remover. I believe they have discontinued it because I cannot find it in any Target. So I had to go on a hunt to look for a new eye makeup remover, and I don't remember how I ended up on this one, but I think this one has really good reviews, so I decided to just grab this and check it out. But if anyone does have any really great recommendations for a makeup remover that's very similar to the Sonia Kashuk one, then please leave it down in the comments and let me know so I can go test it out. Alright, moving on. So I did pick up a few things from 21 Days of Beauty. I love it when that time comes around because literally everything goes on like half off, or at least the deals are about half off, and there are always some really great products. So I only picked up 2 items from 21 Days of Beauty. The first one is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencils. I feel like these come back every single time there is a 21 Days of Beauty sale. Half off of these is just so great, especially since I go through these super quick as well. The next item I got is actually from a brand that is relatively new to Ulta. They haven't been around forever, but it is MAC Cosmetics, because Ulta carries MAC Cosmetics now, which is great because now you can get 20% off of MAC Cosmetics during like the 20% off including prestige items sale that Ulta has, like, I don't know, 2 or 3 times a year. Ulta did have this time the MAC's Prep and Prime Fix Plus during their 21 days of beauty sale. I think it was almost on the last day, but I have never tried this product before. Obviously, everyone knows what this product is. It's a facial spray, it's a setting spray. People love using it to set their makeup. People love to use it to wet their brushes, to pick up product. I kind of expected it to be like maybe like an inch taller or something, but I don't know. I have used it a few times, and I do have to say that I don't know if it's just my nozzle or the fact that I'm used to a different kind of spray, but I just feel like it doesn't spray very well. I feel like it leaves my face really, really wet. I picked up 2 of the EYELURE Luxe Opulent lashes. I got one of these a while back to test out because I've heard so many people talk about this. And I said that I absolutely loved them when I tried it on. It's actually the lashes that I'm wearing today. They look super natural and fluttery, especially on camera. I think they are just so flattering. And it's definitely one of the only super long eyelashes, fake lashes, that I like to wear that I feel like actually kind of look good on me. But there's that. I picked up one of the new Urban Decay glosses. It's the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. I've been hearing a lot of things about these, and these are very, very new. I think Urban Decay discontinued their entire old lip gloss line and kind of replaced it with these. I'm definitely not a lip gloss person. I keep wanting to be a lip gloss person, but I don't understand how girls can like do their hair and then leave their hair down and then put lip gloss on and then walk outside and not have their hair stick to their lip gloss. I absolutely hate that. I can't stand it. And I'm always walking outside. I have to walk outside every single day to get to work and get back from work and go get food or do my shopping and my chores and all that stuff. And like, there is no day where there is absolutely no wind. Like, I don't understand. My hair is literally always getting stuck to my lips when I wear lip glosses, which is why I don't get lip glosses very often. So I thought I would just pick one out to try. The color that I did pick up is called Snitch, and it is like a peachy, corally, bright type of pink color. And immediately when you take it out of the tube, it just smells like mint. That's what the color looks like. It actually has pretty good pigmentation, I think, for a gloss. I didn't expect that. I expected it to be a lot more sheer. After the first time I tried this out, I was trying to figure out what this smelled like, tasted like, felt like, because it was just so familiar to me. I was like, there's definitely another product that I've used that feels exactly like this. And finally, like, my sister helped me figure this out, but I don't know if anyone ever used the Bath and Body Works, the Bigelow, like the lip gloss tubes. Like, those were so huge when I was back in high school. It first came out as just like the clear mint one. When you put it on, it smells exactly like this, and it had like a cooling sensation. And then later on, they came out with like all these tinted ones as well, which got super popular because, you know, they were lip glosses, they were hydrating, they felt minty and cool, and they came out in colors. So everybody went crazy for them. I had like probably like 5 or 6 of them. And I'm telling you, this feels and tastes exactly like that. Like, if you didn't tell me and give me this packaging, I would have thought it was exactly like that from Bath and Body Works. So as I was talking about MAC earlier, MAC is at Ulta, so I've decided to pick up 2 more MAC lipsticks. I thought I would go back and pick up the cult favorites. So I did pick up MAC's Ruby Woo, and honestly, I don't wear a lot of red lipstick, but this is like the classic red, and I felt like, oh, at some point I do need this in my collection. I do want to wear it. The second lipstick I got from MAC is a cream, I believe. It is, no, it's a satin lipstick, and it is in Brave. I think I tried this one out on my lips already, and it was really funny because this is actually the exact color of my lips. My natural lips actually look pretty similar to this color. The last item I got is from NARS, and it is the NARS NARSissist Wanted 2 cheek palette. So I think they came out with the Wanted collection, but they actually didn't release this. They came out with just the eyeshadow palette, which I absolutely love. I did a review on it. I'll link it somewhere here. I am in love with that palette. and I'm still in love with that palette after using it for like the past, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 months or whenever it came out. This is actually in the same collection. It's the Wanted collection. They came out with the cheek palettes. This is the second palette, and that's what it looks like on the inside. It has 6 pans, and I'm telling you that it's smaller in person than it looks in camera. For some reason, on camera, this is looking kind of huge for some reason. I don't know. Or maybe I was just holding it too far to the front. And the reason why I really like this palette is I think that all these colors are very, very different. It's not a palette where you get 6 pans and like 2 of them or 3 of them are all kind of matching. You have like the satiny ones, the ones that have a bit more glow on the top over here, and you have like a really nice light pink one over here, and then a coral one, and then a darker mauve type of color over here, and then you have mattes on the bottom. You have a pink matte, and you have like a very purpley magenta type of color matte, and then you have a really bright, more reddish salmon pink color, I guess. It's a very, very deep pink color. I think you have a great range of colors here to choose from, and I think all of these would actually look really great on the eyes too. Okay, so last off, I made a purchase from Bobbi Brown. I've actually never purchased anything from Bobbi Brown, and I don't use a lot of Bobbi Brown products, but there has been one thing that I've been dying to try out, and I think it's called the Bobbi Brown Enriched Skin Cream or something like that. It's like the one in the jar, and it's kind of yellow tinted. So when I saw that Bobbi Brown had a sale, they actually had a 25% off sale. I went onto their website looking for that cream, and it was sold out there as well. However, I ended up seeing a kit on Bobbi Brown's website, and that is the Healthy Skin Trio Kit. And this kit right here includes 3 items. And yes, you guessed it, it includes the vitamin enriched face base. It's the exact thing that I was looking for, and it is a full-size product. So this set includes the full-size vitamin enriched skin base. It includes the full-size soothing cleansing oil, and then a little sample size of the Radiant Boost mask. And I think this entire set was for $85. The cream itself sells for, I think, $60, and the oil is also like $40 or something like that. So this is an incredibly good deal. And on top of that, I ended up getting the 25% off. So I'm pretty sure I bought this entire set for about like $60. This is the full-size Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And then here is the cleansing oil. Since everything was like 25% off, I thought I would try something else. And they also had a deal, I think, where if you purchased $80 worth of stuff, you would actually get to pick a full-size product. So I ended up picking up the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick. Now with that said, I got to pick out my full-size product with my purchase. And I decided to go with a lip product. This is the Bobbi Brown Art Stick Liquid Lip. I got this in the color Hot Tangerine. I was really excited for like the warmer weather. I really wanted to be sunny outside. I wanted to pull out my summer clothes. I wanted bright colors, the corals, the peaches, the oranges. I really like this color a lot. It's a super duper bright orange color, which I think is beautiful. I love this color, and I'm so excited to be wearing this as the weather gets warmer. Formula is okay. I feel like it doesn't grab onto my dry spots or kind of sink into the lines too much. I think it does have a pretty even and nice application. And that's it to my haul. I feel like I did end up doing a little bit of reviewing and first impressions, which is pretty typical of most of my haul videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any of the products that I got, definitely leave it down in the comments below. I am happy to answer any of your questions. If you like this video, definitely head on over to my channel and check out my other videos as well. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.